Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to connect your Google account on Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Click on the pencil icon next to your name. Now click on the Google button. Select your Google account. That's it. Your Google account is now connected with your Truecaller account. Click Save to apply the changes. This is how you can connect your Google account on Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.